this video, we'll be looking to create the user route. Basically, what that code is going to be doing to handle all the login requests in the web application. So, first of all, import bcrypt from the bcrypt library, and also import JWT from JSON Web Token. So, once we're done with that, we move on to export a function that handles all the login requests. This function, as usual, take a path, a method, and a handler. / the login. Method is going to be a post method. Handler and the same function, the request and response. Arrow function. So we're going to destructure the email password from the request.body. This is what's being sent from the client side. So besides that, we're going to create a variable, a user variable that awaits for the user model. So as usual, we've all created the user model. We'll find the email in that model, all the documents. If no user is found, we're going to return a 401 unauthorized error. Just going to copy this, paste it here, edit the text to unauthorized. So create a structured variable that will be assigned. So we're going to put ID is verified and password. We're going to separate, change the password variables so as not to have a repeated variable name, which is going to conflict in our code. As you can see, our line below is displaying red. So once change this name, so we're going to create correct variable that's going to await the bcrypt comparison of the password in the database, the password the user provided. If it's correct, we will sign same details that we need to be sent from the server side. Provide the JWT secrets, add expires in, going to set it for 3 days, then a callback function. As usual, it's going to be an arrow function. Set the condition, if it's error, return a message. Copy and paste that. Let's just come here to copy it, paste it, format to document. Then think everything is looking good. Else, send status 401. We come over to the index of the route and import the login route to the array of routes. Save it, test it out. Set a post, copy the domain, change the API to log, and set a JSON for variable to the email and password. Try logging in. We change the variables, going to see turns unauthorized. If we use the original data that's in the database, it works. Like I always say, you can pause the video to go back to understand.